Hey YouTube, it's Tyler here. Today I want to do a quick video on my water softener install. I purchased a water softener from Aquasure. This entire system you see here, which is going to be the filter, this carbon filter, and then the pre-filter here, and of course this trash can that holds all the salt pellets, was about $750, in which shipping was like $820. So I'll show you the setup really quickly. Right here is a 1-inch inlet from the house of copper. We have a male end copper piece to the female end of a PVC pipe. It's gonna go up and around to the pre-filter, get out all your rust, chlorine, sediment, dirt, etc. Comes down, goes into the back of the carbon filter itself. I have little, I forget what these are called, but I could just unscrew them so I could disconnect the filter just in case I have to do maintenance. The water travels back. If I wanted to wash my car, I can, so I can have soft water, not have water spots. Goes loops and then back into the house. So if I had to do maintenance on this system, what I can do is shut that valve off and this valve off and turn that one on, and it just does a mini loop here. So basically the hard water will go back into the house. And then of course this drain right here is for the backwash system from the actual unit. And then like I said, this trash can here just holds the salt. So what I'll do in the description is I'll post the model from Aquasure that I purchased. It is a 48,000 grain system, good for about 4 people. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, just send me a message. But if you're trying to look for a really simple plumbing system, just kind of follow mine. It worked out great.